Masa penin tu ni kho Impact TV Kuki channel na vezo se keima joy khongsain ka hin lemwe tu ni kho Chipinthei Talkshow special edition a hin tunia hi cha hin kilo e ho ki olympiad dio che hi le tu chung chin Kuki mizo te dinga function len pen kum hei len pen a in ayu chawang kut 2018 state level a kangpok pi munana ki bol na miss kut title hin la thum ho che hiwin amasa pena miss kut hin la neng nei hoi ho kip a hin chule abana first runners up hin la wungchan phi lunglen a hin chule athum na second runners up hin la Irene nei sel hin amo cheng tu hin studio omtan amasa penin amo anale mo hitin chule amo ko na ki phone na jong ananai peyu hite ka hin lemo ve sobte a hi le ikho naw ki pat theina dingin ki phone na neu cha chan hin pe nei pi ovin lang a ki pat nai dingin neng nei hoi ho ki ma pat an hin panute
amasa penin Impact TV Kuki channel va ho si bon chawin ka jana le ka ngai lo na salam ka hin bole kami na hile ning nei hoi ho ke ba hi in tu le ta ka om na hile tuibung chorchanpur hi in BSc third semester chorchanpur college asimlai ka hi in u khat ka nei in naw le ka nei ke hi nimai denga ta pen ka hi
ki paw me mathang da awung chan phina introduction macham thang taw bio.
Hello everyone, thank you for inviting me. It's my honor to be here. I am Ungchan Phi Lunglang and I'm from Shergapung, presently staying at Chimirong. I'm doing BA third semester.
Thank you. Aban le Irene nei selin ki phone na neu chan.
Kami na hile Irene nei sel, daughter of Thangboy nei sel. Tu ta kom na hile Shillong kopia kahin. Bachelor of Arts in Education to fourth semester ka bol lai ta hin. Tu lai ta hin KSO Shillong branch cultural secretary zong ka tu hin. Chun kom na wang ko ka village na ahile lenglong nungba subdivision hin.
Ki pam le jengin ki phone na jong chun hin nei tawin hele tu hin ki holim na chan ma chalu hitin chule ki holim na patma sangwin tu chung na lol hin nawa na chung chewa ke man jong Impact TV te tha khialin congratulate ka hin bolove ahile tu hin ki holim na chana pan no hitin miss neng nei hoin introduction na bol na chun tua na sim mun le kha sim na lama jong neu khat nen sai tan na e jong le tu hin na neu la ya pa na thiam jil na ho hoi lai lai school na na kaya ti ho class za chan na sim ti ho neu khat nen sai bi thai dio
school hi mun tam ta kana kain na prep apat class 2 chanchu young learner school akana kain 3 to 6 to St Mary school kana kain so the 7 apa 10 chanchu St Paul Institute New Lamka hi in 11 to 12 Raven College New Lamka hi in tu le to Churchapur College
ki pam le jengin mathang da Miss Hungchan Phi na nangi educational history have tar ko angang wai ngai dagi kai da kari school da karak pa class kaya kaya tamak pa have do khara haibirak ko yagra
Class nursery to 1 se ekhoi khon tingcha memory school da tama aduga 2 dagi 10 pause ukrul da tama Ketil Excel Higher Secondary School da aduga 11 12 se DG da tama aduga BSc Huzik NG College da tore
yam ngai adu mathang da tu hin Irene nei selin nang ma school kai na ai lo le class za ai lai nang sim thio neu khat nen sai pi thai dio
nursery to Shillong Amazo High School kana kain and class 1 apat class 7 san Army School in kana kaizin class 8 akuna class 10 san Holy Child Higher Secondary School kana kain class 11 12 7 set Shillong man kana bolin then to 2 pet ahi St Mary's College Shillong BA first semester akuna to kazom jinglai he
ki pam le jengin ahile tu hin nama chal ki no hitin Irene nei sela hin pan ki tangina to question hu tua chu hile chen miss kut a chen hong jaw hitan hi jong le tu a hilowa na neu lai neu cha na pha lai a chu tabang beauty pageant hilo le miss kut hwa hin dingi nge ai lo le pha khal le hong jaw nge tia than op na ne yam ai chule chibana chu tu chung miss kut 2018 na state level nong zau masanga he sitabang adang danga hoi lai muna na zau kha omem ti hojong chu neu kha nen sai pi thai dio
cái điều là cô na thì tập bằng tụt na cái này bồi hi vang á chỉ cho vang cụt hi ai ho Chin Kuki Mizo tribals adinga festival lin ta khade hin then chlaya chu khat ve be hi kazau di hetia tụt na khat cái này hin na thì sẽ a chu ni kuma zong kana zau dan top 5 thing kana thune he top 5 fa zong chu beautiful skin kana la he thì cái gì thế
ki pam le zengin next coming to Miss Wong Chan Phi the same question okay since your childhood have you ever thought of participating in this type of Miss Good or any other beauty pageant and also if you have participated can you mention some of the names?
This year I participated in Miss Spring 2018 and then I got a subtitle Beautiful Here and this is the second time I'm participating in Miss Good 2018.
Yeah, thank you. And the first question you didn't answer right. Since your childhood, I mean during your childhood, have you ever thought of participating or taking part in this type of Miss Good or any other beauty pageant?
Since from my childhood, it is my dream. I really wanted to wear the crown. I need someone to push me up when I'm a child, but now I have confidence to stand up for myself, and now I'm here.
So you have achieved your childhood dream.
Yes.
I guess. Thank you. And abana hi Miss Nengne hoi. Nang question thakhat hi na azo Irene ka do ta banga chu nang jong na newa pa da hi chi ta bang kitet na hi na newa pa da thanop na yam ka hong let pha le ta banga kitet na hen ke yong pang nge tia na ki go nam hi lo le chiba na chuna tu masanga chi Miss Good kitet na hi lo le Miss Good hi lo jong le beauty pageant adang dang kitet na ho hi na zau kha am pan na la kha am jang chuniau khat nin sai pi thai de
ta chno khat hi na sala ai ho angol nam ne kho a ni anga ding do ding hi kana tom singa hi in chule tu kapan na hi ali veina hi tai ama sa pending in how keep student organization te diamond jubilee line contestant in kagazawin aban in chandel ko 2016 na jong kagazawin best designer jo kagagisanin ke into ko mama in pineapple festival khaw sabang namuna tu ko state level ana ko la kazawding ja hi rehearsal dan na kagapangin tu hin state level ka zawin ko lol hinge
ki pam le zengin nang zon na newa pa na gun chu na lung tup mo chu tu chunga na hin mol so hi tan tam ta ve na hin jaw zawa tu chunga na hin la na kin na ki pa te di ka ta sanin ken jong violin ki pa ka hin ki pa pi ai le aban question hi Irene nei sela pat mama hin pan kit leng tu chung Miss Good title ti di tan tin na second runner up hi jong le Miss Good title a cha jaw hi tan hi chin hin mu na hi nang ma ki gel da na lung thlai nam hi lo chi sanga ka bol hoi zo the ta na gelam chule hi chibana chu hi chan na hin pha na dinga hi ki got na preparation itabang na hin na yam ti chuneu khat nen sai thai da
ตัวใน question นั้นตัวจะอีกค่ะ last ละงาก็ได้ฟังนี่เต้นะนี่ค่ะตัว preparation นั่นเฮเลยเกียดิ่งบางหาใส่นะอาจจะชูตัวชิลงาเฮก็อมเห็นชิลงาก็เลย50น่าจงอาสุบวยเฮตัวพิธีเสด็จหันชิลงาเฮตัว screening อันนี้ไล่ต่อโอเคหอน exam กันได้ยิน then ชิลงาคู่Anglo Kuki war le ke so sport le zabang kut aman khom je wa hin ke hi chalanga ho executive in kana zawen je a chu ken song na to le tam ta kana nei na hi wanga chalanga how to hon in head him evin chalaya kapan de je hen na to sort of in chun flight ka hong su ka lien to jong he sponsor tam ta kana muin na chun ai betai first question nan do chu
hetu chunga Miss Good title ana second runner up na hin la chu na lung thlai hi nam chi sanga ka bol hoi be the ta na ki gel
ka lung thlai se de ga second runner up ka mo na preparation chu hoi ta kana bol hin last year ko na chu tu kum hi ka zaw te ki de he ti lung tup kana nei hin chun jisanga hoi zole phazo chu anaki bol the hi jong le bagain padati zia to second runners up AP kalung lai se ne ki pai
ki pam le zengin ne boi ta he jong le chun chilaya dinga na thonop jalin ha ki go nin hong ki gongin chile lol hin na jong hin nei tan na avelin ananga jong ka ken ki pa pi ki din coming to Miss Hung Jan P the next question is are you satisfied that you bagged the coveted Miss Good title which I mean the first runners of Miss Good 2018 and how satisfied are you? And next, will you give some insight as to how you make preparation to reach this level?
I'm very satisfied. I am satisfied with I did in a preparation to in a hard work to the paid off the way have paid off the way. Aduga I preparation high tardy. I few months back I prepared. A few months back I prepared to rock pane. Dum isana decision lozaraga I yaugani haina changak pane. I mentally, physically, emotionally I prepared to say.
Thank you. Nasana nasabu thazana hai batare fazana mentally, physically, emotionally loina prepare toraga nangna hotna jamandu ngasi phanglaga sida hoi wari sanaba phangwa sini adu thaga chari mathangda coming to nengne hoi na Irene Naisel ka do question ma che he kinin chi Miss Good nala he nang wang cho Miss Good nala he tan na ki pa te de wang che ke tai na ai le he cha he chi sa na thil bol la chu ka bol hoi be thein la ye answer na pi ho jong chu ka pi hoi be thein la te na ki gelam chule na ki god dan jong neo khat nen sai thai dem
answer ka pi ong chu ka lunga thein na good Miss Good tia kong then jong he ka lunga thei mong iti ka ki pa da de ham na state level la din ka din nom ja district level ha kong ki pat ma sat he in pathinin state level la idin ding thei dingai ko in e in dom sangin pathin min ka thang ba
ki pam le jing he le na ki god dan jong chu neo khat nen sai thai dem
ki god dan ti chu
Miss Good na ding an hong ki god dan chu tile to wung chan pi na sai ta banga chu ta sa ai lo le lung thim lang na ki god na za do men chu nang ma om dan chu cha na ki god na dinga chu thu sei ding dan ho ai lo le ket wa ho na hong ki thiep chu dan ho jong chu neo khat nen sai thai de
ket wa ka hi in thu sei chan na khan chan abon che ke hi hoi pen le apa pen bol do dinga hong ki gong mong ka hi
pam he zengin nang jong a hoi pen le pa pen bol do dinga nang ki god zal chun zat so vet dung zui le mi pi dei dung zuin hoi pen le pa pen chun hong chang tan na ai le nang ning ne hoi ho ki Miss Good na hin la zal chun nang hi question a chom be khat na hin dong be kit le he chi Miss Good first runners up to second runners up a phone chai wa hin nang na hin phone wa hin na he cha hi hin phone ma sang wa chu kita san na wang chena nei de hin a hi le nang me na hong ki pha chu Miss Good 2018 chu neng nei hoi ho ki he tai tia hong ki phone do a chu na lung thima ep na gialam chu neo khat nen sai thai de
ga ki sei sau jab na top 5 hin phone wa jong chu in khelwana ke 5 ka hi in contestant number 5 ka adang ho chen ko ke last pen 9 ko in ko lo de tam ka til last pen 9 ko ka ki pa in abana in ko do ki pha do chen ke ka ki ta san thau na ke jong hi jong le hi mo mo in te ka tin awang jong a hi poi jong in ko do chen ka ve le ka masanga mi chula atamatam ke bo i ve do hi tan na ka ki pa ji jong piti lang phatem pi lang hoi dem jong chu ka ha poi ka ki pa
am le zengin na ki pa mong de he na itia je ki mong de he ni ki pa na ta kha de hin mo chu ai mom ji jang ki hello de hin mathang da Miss Hung Chan Phi na noi top 5 finalist oi khre ko aduga noi le pasida second runners up lau tho khre Irene na oi khre aduga mathang da first runners up laurak ka daw ba kan sida nang nasana nangbu oi gani haiba thajaba leibra natraga nang first runners up oi khre haina lau thorak pa kan da nangi feeling aduga nangi mind da kari wakhal poi haibdu kitang haibibra
Irene first second runners up haina lauthokam tam lauthokre aduga first runners up lauthok ni haiba matam da ai thajaba amale because I have give my best for performance. I did my best aduga I should deserve amadi tawe haina ai thajaba le aduga the feeling, it was so emotional. I really wanted to thank the God. Without the help of God, I wouldn't be able to achieve this far.
Nasana thajana nangna lebraga nangi ming lauthorkani haiba thajabagi tungina nangi mingsu lauthoraga nang first runners up oikhre adu hana nangbu nangi karma haisara nangi achievement gi mathakta ina nungaiba phongdok chari aduga abana Irene Naisel top 5 finalists ho nahung ki goal do tawina chila a chumi thumbo ki leng di hitaina mi thumbo ki leng la chu nang jong ki leng lo la jong nang jaw thei hin hi jong le ahung ki phone do chun second runners up chu Irene Naisel hitai te ahung ki phone do chu nalung thima ipina gelam hilo le na ki padan chun yo khat nin sai thei de
top 10 and kelen do atu kelen do ma sanga ju backstage atu kaloi no khalina self introduction na pi ewang tu ahoy hi etina ahoy chala chu nervousness them sa ale na ti them ti nervousness kana ju top 10 azong ka zaw di ba ha dan ti ba kan gel ji and chala chu top 10 kaminan ko do len ta ki pa dan chu ka sei the hi then question answer round hitai na the common question round chala chu ka answer ka pi chu ka lung hlain and chala chu to hiwanga adang ho atam hozos atam zo answer di na chala jo nervousness kan le na hi banga top 5 kamin contestant number 10 Irene Naisel anti ki le ka kipa na jo chala jo backstage ka top 5 ka kilan do chala jo backstage ka chin ka tabin then backstage ka hong stage ka hong to ki da jo runners up dia kipon do na phat hitan anjala chu second runners up dia Irene Naisel kipon a chu ka sei thei boy kipana chana how like the feeling like how to express my feeling it's so hard to express because I've never achieved these kinds of happy moments and my father didn't have any hope for me anymore. After top 10, like after all the subtitles were announced, my father was like, no, she won't be getting any more subtitles, and like subtitles are all announced and given out. So like my father, he was going home. He didn't expect that I will get a second runner-up. So like even my father was really happy, and for me in that moment, I was like, God, thank you so much for everything you did for me, that you've taken me so far. I didn't expect, and I will say I don't deserve that patin hidian in to sot dan hina akidang in alopi to ka say here
pam le jengin nang jong na ki ta san lo nung na loi nu to sai na za ko na chule na pan jong na ta san lo wa ki le nu nga jong hetawanga pathen pan pina na thuma pathen na don bu na hetawang chan vo na pi zalin nang jong na chunga avelin ken ki pa thu khen sai ki ne ai le tu hen kheu naw jong pha chom khat ana hitan video clip neu khat na ho crowning moment taw te na chilai video clip neu khat ana view hitia mi pi te ho tu hen Miss Good 2018 mo to kheu lim naw chom khat na khunga yo hetien Miss Good ahung chan naw wa lalu khu hen ki khu pet ho video clip chom cha ana view hitia
Ning Nei Hoi Ho Kim.
Video clip chom cha chi ineveta win tu hin Miss Good 2018 ho to ki holim na anaban jom hoite aban question he Miss Neng Nei Hoi nanga ko nin hin pan kin no hitin ahile tu chung chawang ko 2018 a he nang chu ala al han he tan na masanga pa na screening a pa da chu aki gondan ho zo siang chen he de he tan ahile he chu 2018 chawang ku na he hoi na sa le hoi lo na sa tampi na mu do de hin na he cha he ipi chu hoi na sa pe na ipi chu aki bol dan na dei mo pen umam he lo le hoi mo na sa umam chukil le he chi chawang ku ri bol na wa he ipi ki bol be le hoi de sanin te ta na gelam chu nang malong gel nyau khat nen sai thai de
ami pi ho la al ha ka hin long si amo la ana ni pi ham thil za chung chung ho chawang chu ka he po in hin la program aki gum ho hi apha dung ju ya achal thei si in apha ka sa in chukit le ka sei nom khat chu contestant ho ki go na lang na greenhouse lang ho hi paten ki top zep han lang hi thei le hin no ka sa aha sa ji mama mi koi ko ham za chum ju alu le po le hin anom thei ji po na ta
ki pam le jeng na sei cha di jang di mong na mi kam cheng jong jun kana za in ken jong tu chung Miss Good ho van khel na ho dressing room ho cha su sai nom be poi ti chu kana za na chule nu mai na hi win na ho he privacy pi dinga lom ta wang chen na hi je chun tu kal le ku de bol pha do le hin Miss Good ho dressing room ho jong he phaten na privacy pi tin mi pi ho jong mo wa le na hi lowin hoi diwin bol leo hen ti chu ken jong ka hen hab be hin tin coming to Wung Chan Phi what in your opinion is the drawback or goodness of Chawang Kut 2018 and what do you think is needed for further advancement for Chawang Kut
good committee da yam thagache haidi platform say despite all the differences welcoming every tribe and I'm one of those yam harawe aduga next mathang da di next day I want more tribes to participate in this contest
thank you chumbane nang na haibdo good festival have a state level nina khoi state da leiminari ba ichi naw mayam pulak saruk yan min na ga daw ne ko ado nangon dagi sigumba wahai tab se yam nungai abana pada abana Irene Naisel ko ma ka do nom ki chu he chi question mama chu he ki nin na tu chung Chawang Kut 2018 na hong jaw na he thilki bol na he ahoi lo na dei lo epiumam chule ahoi na mu do epiumam chukit le Chawang Kut khan to na dinga epi ki bol be le na deyam tiong chuni khat nin sai thai dem
zong tam ta amen kadai zong tam ta amen ning kuma kana zaw ze into kuma til abol dan ka vet le akitu pi inna to beauty pageant ho adinga beauty queens ho adinga he platform ya poi moin to stage asimu chu piti say the how do you say like how do I explain it piti say it's not firm and like most of the contestants are wearing heels so it is really hard for the contestant to walk on the platform some might fall some might like break their ankle possibility tam ta ome then to winner Miss Good no zong saitan green room wang apoy moin no may to pasal like differentiation like one needs another room and the other needs especially for girls they need privacy they need they have so many things to hide so they need another room nume zo si le kho lo na e banga pasal azau phat le nume ho zo comfortable zilo. So and the good things about this Chavangkut is that like they welcome all the tribes. They welcome all the tribes, and even this year they even invited the Nepalis to dance. So like I was really happy. I didn't expect that Nepali ho akaudiu na. Then various artists from Ukrul, Gima, amao ho boset akaulo. The different singers from different communities zong akau ziun this is Pagashan and the advancement for good. Yes, I wish they could advertise more on state level good. Then like they could put more effort on the price and how to develop the good, and plus I wish that in all the schools like the district schools, I wish they could have some education about the Chavangkut. So like all the students will know the importance of Chavangkut, the harvest festival.
First bena na hin say good stage nam lo na carpet ho jong kinot de do am juken jong ka moin no mo ka sa len jele contestant izat ham kha jong cha ki pal jong ka moin na kalung thima jong ka pona le jeng he jong le chichu next thing le good committee hon jong hoi dewa hin bol di jong ka ta sanen jele tu chung chu I ho state level good phat so ta jawa thinglang district nga na ho district nga hung bol na ma sa pen hi ja cha mo jong tham khat la sam hin te ti na he the moi tin na chule nang wan hen sai banga chu good khan to sa na dinga ho district sunga school ho hitia awareness building hello le he chi kut changchang thua ep ja ki mongham ti ho ta bang het sa ding na ti cha hoi le jengin na chunga velin ki pa thu ka hin phongkin in chule tu hin miss kut neng ne hoi na hin dong kit leng aban question he miss kut title na hin mo he to he miss kut na hitan na hele to he ho Bollywood la jang chum ji he na Miss World hello Miss Universe gazao hello Miss Femina India tampi a gazao ho chu ahin muteng ole film langa na hello le director ho producer ho chen film thoding hello le pp thoding in approach in wal jivin ho tabanga jang chu ai ho la jang che len hi jang le neu cha hi jang hen cho chu hin na director producer ho ne hin he cho he dang ma he film hello album ho tabang thoding in na hin approach le nang epitina na don bot dem neu khan hen sai pi thai do
amon le phat ke ve intin chule a story to na a role to ke ve intin ke gyal nante
ki pam le jengin ai le na sai dana chu nang ma lung dei nang ma role dei dan aki to om le pangna nge ti hin na di lam le
di thim thau nai
di thim thau nai ti cha di hinan ke pamin director producer hon jong role hoi ta ta neu le miss neng nei hoi miss ku 2018 he cast dinga na na ki got thei hin coming to Miss Hung Chan Phi now that you have got this Miss Good title you have become well known and many film director will pursue you for casting in their films or albums, right? If that such cases arise, how would you respond to it?
Moina puthokadawa mogi character do yengini aduga if that the particular film is going to inspire other youths or inspire other people, then I will.
Script yengaga role yengaga fazaba inspiring oiba already yauba yai sine adu thagat chari abana Miss Irene Naisel nangin hita Miss Good title ni hin muna chunga he min na hin het he tan na namel hoina hello le na ball thaidan mila ta do thai na ta lang thai na hi ja chu film director hello le producer hon film ho album ho dingin zawdingin hin tem le epitin na don but dem
chibang chu gel na hi ikhat last year azong to the state level ku kada zaw ji a chu they were to ikhat invitation kana mu tai and then I they say down to chibang to say ha cái mà gel đa na chú chỉ lá sa họ vang cái thằng nôm hi vang video shoot họ vang cái bol khá lâu na video shoot họ vang hi vang acting chú cái thằng nôm invite le a role cái vet phật đi na a role cái vet phật đi hi vang cái hi role azon cái thằng nôm chú nu lang na nu ngã lang cái đó nu lang cái thằng nôm mình nu lang piti lang cái thằng nôm mình đã mi thu hil na chỉ hoa cái thằng nôm mình de director hoàn anh sẽ khảo le cái mà nu role lo piti role này piu boy hilo le cái dao lo de thì aja kana say
cái bám lệ dễ nghe hileตัวกวยสันสังจะนั่งใน advance กิจตานนะมาสังนั่งก็มา offer เรามาสักกิจตานนี่แหละจะเละกี่เป้ามินปิติล้มลงมาดิ่งวางจุดตัวนักขังท่าเจ็บนั่นแหละนะ actress ละงาดิ่งจะว่าจะนั่นกี่กดดิ่งกันก็เห็นเตรียมกินเนี่ยไอ้แหละไอ้เกี่ยวลิมเราจังพัดจำขัดปีหงกิจตานตัวเห็น break จำขัดอันนั้นเราเห็นเดียมีปีเตะหัวตู้จึงมีสกุต2018หัวตัวไอ้เกี่ยวลิมเราจูพัดจำขัด break อันนั้นเราเห็นเดีย chunga state level kut 2018 a miss kut hotoi ki holim now to break chom khaina la tawin tu hin break zawin anakil holim pe ki do hite break zawa question ama sa pen hi miss ning nei hoi nang ma na hin dong pe ki leng tu chung miss kut 2018 ki te na final round question na round of 5 question aki sai tho pen pa na hin do chu na question chu ipiham chule na ngin na don but na chu na gi na het na lai le neu khat nen sai thai de
question chu nazide nga itabang mi na deyam ti ham khat chu he na ka don but dan chu he le sa pawan seng ka tin ka don but tabang aki bang chal bang chu sai thebe se pong ka tin he should be understanding and supportive, caring, and loves my family as his own. With that, he will be presentable in front of my family, friends, and especially to God. He is the best person to marry me.
Kipam le zengin hoi ta na don punin na ke yong chun ka vet wang hoi ta ka ne ve pon to ka za chu ki chi jamin nang hoi ta na don bu za la chu miss kut chu na hen mu ten te ka tin tu wong chan phi what was the question and answer that you gave in the final question and answer round of Miss Kut 2018?
My question was, who should we blame? The disobedience of our children, the parents or the children themselves? And my answer was, the first teacher that we see with our eyes is our parents, and parents have been the inspiration for their children, and they have been the role model. That's it.
You answer it so well. Aduna maram oiduna nang ngasi Miss Kut ki first runner subtitle ta ba oigani haina thajai abana Miss Irene Naisel ko majong chi question ma chu hin question and answer round na question chu ipiham chule nang epiti na don bunam ti chu nin sai thai de
question to hele, what do you hate most about yourself in your life? Then ka answer na hele, the thing that I can the thing that I cannot do what my parents want me to do, that's the thing I hate the most about myself and life ma to ka say hin
hoi le zengin nga jong first runner sub hin Miss Kut nu hin amania tabanga chu hoi ta na don but a hi je a chu nang jong second runner subtitle nong chan thei he ti chu ka ta sanin ki pamin mathang question che ung chan phi da la ge ko what was your aim and objective of taking part in Miss Kut contest 2018, and what would you like to pursue in the future?
My aim and objective to participate in this Miss Kut 2018 is not only to win the crown, but my zeal is to contribute to the people in all possible ways I can. And in the further up, I want to be a great motivational speaker, and I want to inspire to the youths out there through my story, through my story and through my experiences.
Yam nungai jere nang na ning jaba dusu oi jaba oiro abana Miss ning ne hoi ko ma jong ka hin do nom chu tu chung kitet na Miss Kut kitet na chu ipitup le doi ne ya na pan ham chule mabana ipi bol dinga ne ki go nam
a title wang chu mizo sin ki dei so ke he na title dei se up gazaw jong chu ka hidi po in athopi pena se denga chu nun chan khan chan a hin imazo sina all round development to apoi mi khat hi ja chu poi mo hi in chi ho zo si chu ka nei the denga ken kutian e dei sa in na ke nge jong kanum ja chu hung zaw ka hi in la jong ka hin la in ka ki pa in
ki pam le jengin na sai chati ma mai na miam khat chu chi na thip na ki wa chu ki thai he pon nun chan khan chan mila khan ji het ngai in he cho nang jong nong ki ti la he cho nei ding gyal na zala tu chung ku na nong zaw na nang jong he cho quality chen nei ja chu Miss Kut jong na hung hi ticket tàu thế na cha cha na chunga velen ki pa thu khen sai kinin chule tuin Miss Irene nei sel nang jong chi question ma cho hin tu chung Miss Good ki te na he na hung zawa he pi doile tup na na ya na hung zaw ham chule ma ba na pi bolding na tup mam
like first question masanga question kana answer banga chun chi chawang ko ri ai ho Kuki chin mi zo mi adinga festival din ta khaden chlaya chu khadve Miss Good a winner hi ta zongle Miss Good title ki mutan na chlaya chu khadve be hi crown ka huno media tupna kana nezen chun a question nen sai be ki thei dia
mabana chi to second runner sub na hin la tai na mabana dang pp na bol no man chi line langa he ti tawte
like chilai langa hin chu shilanga jong photoshoot ka ball zin na photoshoot ka ball zin then chi kut chai a he mabana jong chi platform a he adang jong kana thano men to ahong ding Miss Shillong langa Cherry Blossom Festival omen tla zong chu zaudin I made a preparation to like to do patien lem sa dan ni tan na then ke aim in life ambition wang hele to chi achai che ka semester ka chai chai hele CDS exam ka bol din the CDS exam chu ai wanga ka tup chu lecturer hin ai wanga like just for experience ma just for experience chilai CDS atu exam ka pi din then ka tup wang chu lecturer hin chi lecturer dinga song masters ka bol chai le need exam ka pi din
hipam he zengin na jong japang chan hin lai wangin na tup le na doi tam pi min na he cho zo si jong chu na jong na tup le na doi chan hung hlung te yin ti chu ken jong ka hin bai la na nomin ai le tu hin ban question he miss ning ne hoi nang hin dong ma sa pen kit leng tu chung kyo hi pon na jawang ko da Miss Good hello le beauty pageant contest hin bol he nang ma gel hello le nang ma mu da na epi aphat chom na ichan ge na phat chom me tia na gel ne khat nen sai thai de
Amy kitile khangdong na mai hot ka wang wa phai na ta bang platform ka nei hi mel hoi na keu helawa China tipna lam chumana bol theina za chum ho pu do na thei platform a in kipa mama in ke ho sungnga iti sei de ham mundanga mo pu do thei jong hello thil jang chula na jong le kut phat le ka pu do thei wa masanga kan he kha lo hi jong le kan ki het do thei ji wa na mi ho zapi ho het dinga phun do am thei ji in ki pam ka san
ki pam le zengin na sai jong cho di in hon thil dang mundanga hitabang langa thanom na ho dinga mila exposure ding inai po win na chi chawang kut Miss Good contest bolo hi chalanga thanom ho dinga chu platform hoi ta hi na he je chun he chi bol ho chunga jong ki pa thu sai ki noi te na mathang question Miss Wungchan Phi da muk hange can you please tell me the advantages of holding beauty pageant in the celebration of Chawang Kut?
The advantage of beauty pageants is that it has given us a platform to show our potential, not only the potential but the intelligence of being a woman.
Yam nungai jere Manipur gi damak tadi si gomba modeling natraga beauty pageant gomba da thok pase Miss Manipur natraga Miss Good sina khwai dagi wang khre haiba tare ko si gomba platform leiba si gi trade ta chat pasing gi damak ta yam fazaba platform aduga opportunity ne haiba tare ko adu si gomba phangjaba se state level good committee da su harauba nungaiba phongdok jaga dawne abana chu Miss Irene Naisel jang chi question ma chu hi na hetabang chawang kut Miss Kut contest hi lo le beauty pageant hin bolo hi nang ma mu dana ep phat chom no mam neu khat nin sai thai de
ama se penin ho dang zo se village dang zo se a mel hai tam ta na ki mun na loi zong ana ki polzin ambao ho zala he na tam ta zong ki nein then chi chawang kut festival hello beauty pageant mong a he may feminine gender ama ho adinga platform hoi ta hen ama ho intelligence beauty the potential they have to show their talents chi ho zo se zawa ama hon atep na zo se to a chi platform chawang kut hello le beauty pageant dang zo se a hin vet sa the na
bam le jengin a hele to question he Irene Naisel ma man hen dong pai jing Miss Kut 2018 ki te na panla na nahin ki thopi ho na ga sai dinga cha designer hello le makeup artist hello le sponsor koi azo jong chu nahin sai na cha tampi u mena tin na cho jo si jong chu nahin min pha thai dham chu le mo ko ma ki pa thu nahin sai thai hi
shilonga ai boy pi upari pari kangte hin ama hin ka dress hi a design pe na ibang akhui chu mi chom hi ukum ye hin ama mani ko ma chu ikhat to pun khuinu zong chu phat anei pui sangkhol tam ta hui din hin ai banga e tilai chawang ku da ka zaw de ja ai nangai kho ina chi ka sangkhol ai hui pe in then ka earring a sponsor to my best friend and a little motivational words from my friend Marilyn Zote amani zong chu both of them are my best friend amani zong chu ki pa ahle zingin ai tau pi even na then chilai shilonga ke so tan pi hin Kuki in pi zong hin ama hon tau nan e gelevin bol the group zo si bol the and bol levin na ti ja jan ma ho zong comment ki pa thu ka season then ke ho nei sil in pia ma hon zong ki tho pi na dingin dangka sangup ap vin chilai chu ka sang khol khui man di chu ka pin na then wana chilai je ko na kapalin kapathangta ama ho vin ama ho ina ka omehin ama ho in bulame tui ta ino hon pi vin na chi ma ho zong komin ki part for ka season then a last pen in like I thank God for everything for giving me such wonderful friends and family and community. And I also thank my father. He came all the way from Bangalore. He is very sick. He actually is very sick, but still, ay ngay lut nazala. Tilaya chilong ako na katanga ko umehe. Sun Bangalore ako na tilaya. Katanu atanga umde kapal puita ay na ahong ngayon na kasi ato mga ko masang kipatho ka season then tisa kasi te
kipam le jengin nahin ki thopi ho zo se nahin min to nahin min pha ho zo se chile adang dang jong na lai de hin na he cho zo si za la chu tu ni khwa nang jong na lol hin na chunga hi amo zo si jong chan vo neu hin chi je chen mo zo siang ki pa te de ka ta sanin mathang da mi sung chan phi na handak nang Miss Kut 2018 si contest da yorak pasida nangi wear wishers sponsors donors gumba ko khar leiram gani ado designer makeup artist sponsor mayam do maming kana na nang bu help to wirak pra natraga haibdo hairaga moi ngonda kari nangi gratitude haiba tare ko ado phongdok pagi tanja do pizage
Miss Kut 2018 की designer से brother Babison चौथे tribe तक की मान एक चौथे tribe represent तो जाए माने design तो भी है and I want to say to brother Babison thank you so much you design my dress very comfortable and in a unique way so that I can stand confidently in the crowd. And thank you, Dabo B, for the makeup. You make me more beautiful than before. And I want to thank my family for all the support through this journey. And most importantly, I want to thank the God for all my success.
Yam nungaijare moi mayam gi mateng na nang ngasi sigumba chawraba Miss Kutta first runner up phangjaba simoi su yam harawram gani haiba thajai adugi moi ngonda su thagat pa phongdok chari aduga tu hin Miss neng neng hoi yong same question hi kit na tu chunga chikon te sa nong zauna nahin ki thopi ho koi koi ni pi pian hin ki thopiam ti chun hin min pha a chule amo ko ma ki pa thun hin sai thai
Masapenin pathin ka thangpai ama zala hi chanhlong ka hi na chi chong le ke in sung mi te ho adi se da ka pa hi tu phat bo hi pon na mundang phat danga ka zaw e jong kana sei ta in e zoi jingin gen theina yan lang ha san na hi jong le ke thon pi in pho thei le pho in na hil thei le hilin hi chi bol le chun phazon te ilo le chi bol da tan ati ho phaten ka zoi chen hi chan hi ka thon ji in ka pa chungang ke pa thu ka sei in chi jong le catwalk e hil na darakes nong mai them ama kom ama chunga jong ke pa thu ka sei chi le evening gown e khoi pe design e bol pi da joy moirang mayum of samuro a hi in na jong le makeup artist cho da biso khumancha of Bishanpur a hi na amo cheng zala jong hi chan hi thong the ka hi sin achung ba ki pa thu ka se
nang jong azwa sei ma bangwa chu cho zala chu lol hin na hin nei thei hin amo jong akipa ding ka ta sanin tu hin ipha no jong a chaina lam an hi tan tu hin a chaina ding in na Miss ning ne hoya pat hin pan pe pe leng i hon tua platform in nei yo ai media dinga chu Impact TV Kuki channel ta hin bol do wa to Talkshow hin bol na Chipinthei Talkshow tiu hi hin na cho to hong ki bol do ho hinam sunga dinga chan ge ya phacho mi tian ge lam chu nyau khanen sai thai da
e ho society sunga na mi tam hi povin na hi jong le I thep na line chi over mi sangai chung nan zo na ho hi I khalle khai ta hi ke ko do jiwa na ke holim jiu hi a phachom ka sa in na a pha in midang hi iti se iza chan khom pi ho jong subscribe bolutin na to sonutin a sei si a to su da panglawa na to son zo apang tingin ka hin tim
duga mathang da mi sungchan phi na media da hai tare ko ngasi khoi gi sigumba tanja phangjaba Impact TV gumba media leiramba se si khoi gi Manipur gi damak ta hair se sigumba se kayam kanai haibdo natraga moida harau nungai ba phongdok chaba chaning ba layer di ngak phongdok
Thank you so much Impact TV for promoting all of us and doing all the coverage, and thank you Kuki Talkshow for inviting me. It was a great pleasure to be here.
Thank you. Chale Irene Selin jang chi ehon tunia iki ho now Impact TV Kuki channel tai bolova chale iki ho lim now Talkshow Chipinthei Talkshow ti ho to bang bol do hi nangin nam sunga dingai chan gen phachomi te ana gelam
amasapen in to Impact TV Kuki Talkshow and I produce Kailun Kongsai Amatu Kipapina like I thank him for producing this Kuki Talkshow. Then nang nahira nang umhilet tun silaya Miss Good 2018 interviews on mina mu thelo de na then chi to Impact TV Kuki Talkshow in lekha team lo ho ilo le pi le pu ama hon English pa head below hina ji atun a ho pa wa news ho vel avet theory ama ho zo akipa lezing ovin. Another point is that this it gives information about the things happening around in Manipur, then even outside Manipur, then chiho til ho zo se chu kampau chum ma mai thlei hi zong le chun thadu ha mi zong le chi mi zo si he thedinga na hin pun do ka ki pa le jing me. And I thank the Impact TV for calling us here and having an interview. And I've been honored that though I'm not someone, but still it's an honor to be here in Impact TV Kuki Talkshow. Then azolanga khat kana say khalo kan say de na. Like I want to thank a friend of mine. His name is David. His family. When I was not able to go to my family's place because there were like so many of them there. So I thank David's family for welcoming me. I thank Laro Simsongate. He's the principal of ECT College. And I also thank David No for welcoming wholeheartedly. And I also thank my cousin Mercy Nasil because like she's been following me everywhere. Katina also ay zuihin then amazong adam lo hin na ay banga ay nangay ko zin Katina also ay zuin tsi etun ama ho tungin kipatu ka season as amasanga to kanahay his ato. I'm really sorry for that. Thank you.
Ipam le zingen ahile tuni khwa no jang to hi miss good title chuna hung chantil tilo hi je chun naki papi no mo hilo le taw no mong no mai cham sim nom tam pium di hin chule na china diu jong tam pium di hin na jong le hi cho zo si chun na hin dal hawa chulai muna tuni khwa tok so chulai muna kheu theya nong je win na chung chewa ki pa thu ka in phongin chule ma ba na jong nap to gon ho na bol diu ho tam pi na nei ho wa hung lol hing jingon ti chu ken ka vai la na nom hi ki pa tuni khwa Miss Good 2018 state level hin mo to ek ho lim naw chu he chan chu hi tan ke jong chu pau tho thim jong chu ka hi pon ka hin sei na tia chu ka sai khel ka tho khel tam pium din he cho do si chu mi pi ten ne ngai dam ding win kong tawin chule he chi Impact TV Kuki channel support jingutin Chipinthei Talkshow ana ve jingutte tia ka hin vai la ni ho ve pe ki pai